Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to use OP Autoclicker step by step for automatic clicking tasks on your PC. First, download and install OP Autoclicker from a trusted source. Then, open the software on your computer. Once it's launched, you'll see simple settings to control how it works. Next, choose your click interval. You can set it in milliseconds or seconds, depending on how fast you want the clicks to happen. Lower values mean faster clicking. After that, select the mouse button you want to use, like left, right, or middle click, and also choose whether you want single or double clicks. Now, decide the click location. You can either pick the current cursor position or set a fixed location on your screen. Once everything is set, press the hotkey, usually F6, to start the auto-clicking, and press it again to stop. You can adjust settings anytime to match your needs for games or repetitive tasks. And that's how you can use OP Autoclicker easily and efficiently. Subscribe the channel for more videos.